FARA, that's the Forum for Agricultural Research in Africa, is a continental apex organization for agricultural research in Africa, and therefore it provides a platform for all its stakeholders engaged in agricultural research and innovation. It also brings together a network of actors that work in partnership with FARA and also in the other regions of the world. This 8th FARA General Assembly will be a virtual event because of the COVID-19, and is going to span 22 days on the 24th to 25th of November. Now, in line with the strategy 2019-2028, the theme of this General Assembly will be on innovation, institutions, and impact. The first day of the GA will feature a plenary dialogue on the theme Unlocking Domestic Investments to Make Science and Innovation Work for Agricultural Development in Africa. So this plenary session will be followed by 2 sets of plenary sessions. But before I talk about that, let me also mention that one of the highlights of this day will be to launch the component of the CAADP XP4 program that is being implemented by FARA. And fortunately, our GA is overlapping with the CAADP partnership platform, where we expect to launch the CAADP XP4 program. So we'll be linking to the CAADP PP to launch this program. The 2 sets of plenary sessions will include one on operationalization of the science agenda, looking at its progress and prospects, and then look at advances in the Africa Foresight Academy. The second set of sessions will be on mobilization of stakeholders to support and own the Africa-Europe Roadmap on Food and Nutrition Security for Sustainable Agriculture, FNSSA. This will be hosted by the Leap for FNSSA Consortium. Then the other session in this parallel session will be stakeholder consultation on another project that we are implementing on the Soils for Africa initiative. So these will be the 2 parallel sessions that we will have on the first day. The second day will feature the main business session of the General Assembly. And the General Assembly would be expected to ratify a number of things, including the ratification of the selection and appointment of the chairperson of FARA, the appointment of the new board of directors of FARA, amendment to the Constitution and Governance Manual of FARA, and the approval of the FARA Strategy 2019 to 2028 and the Business Plan of 2019 to 2023. So these are the big things that we expect the business session of the General Assembly to ratify. So the General Assembly brings together forum members. All partners that have something to do with research are members of FARA. So basically, we expect our sub-regional organizations, CORAF, ASERECA, CADESA, and NASRO. We also are going to expect the AFAS, Africa Forum for Advisory Services. These are our key partners. We expect all the NAS institutions, that's the National Agricultural Research System institutions, including research bodies, universities, both private and public institutions at national level to be part. We also have partners like the private sector, Pan-African Association of Farmers. We also have private sector associations of NGOs, the PANGOG. We expect our CGIAR partners to be part of this assembly, and indeed all the international agricultural research members to be part of this meeting. Last but not the least, we expect our development partners to join us, particularly the European Commission, who have been very supportive over the years, over the decade. We also know that the World Bank will be part, as well as the Africa Development Bank. They have been supporting the TART program, and of course the ARP, and they are supporting us in coming up with a new sustainable financing program. We expect, of course, the Africa Union Commission itself and the different departments within the Commission. So I think this GA, because it's going to be virtual, we are expecting that it will enjoy the participation of all our key stakeholders to make this a resounding success. Of course, working our way to the next Science Week, which we hope will be face-to-face next year around July 2021.